I have a derived formula for Manning'S by using PVC, N equals to 0.012, and using CI pipe, concrete or CI. The N is 0.015 for house drain, regardless of the kind of materials. That is what Dr. Hunter said. Regardless of the material, use 0.015 for house drain. This 0.15 is being suggested from the derivation of fixtures unit by Dr. Hunter. You use it for house drain regardless of the kind of materials. It may be PVC, it may be copper, it may be CI pipe, it may be cement pipe. 0.015 in is equals to 0.015. Okay. For half bore PVC, 1/2% slope or 1/16 inch per foot gradients. The diameter that I derive is 0.8896 Q raised to the power 38. 38 is 0.375. 3 divided by 8 is equals to 0.375 or 38. For half bore concrete or CI pipe, 1/2% slope, that is 1/16 inch per foot, diameter sa 0.967 Q raised to the power 3. For a 1% slope, the slope here is dependent on a designer, because sometimes if you say 2% slope and you have a distance for discharging from the stack or the sewer stack to the point where you discharge your fixtures, appliances, say maybe 50 meters. If 50 meters, 2% of 50 meters, how many feet drop or how many meter drop? So 2% of 50 is equals to 1 meter drop. You just imagine the headroom of 1 meter to your ceiling bago siya mag-discharge. That is 2%. Kung 1%, 50 meters away from the stack, and 50 meters away, 1% is 1/2 meter. So medyo maliit-liit ng konti. Kaya lang, sa 1/2%, tingnan mo kung 1/2% ka. Ang diameter is 0.88. I-compare mo sa 2%, 0.6, maliit. Medyo malaki ang slope, ang diameter ng slope ng 1/2% kaysa diameter ng slope ng 2%. So, pagpilian mo yan, if you are the designer. Ngayon, meron kang choices on the headroom. Kung ang headroom natin, okay pa yung 1 meter na drop, pwede ka magkapaggamit ng 2% slope. Pero pag hindi na pwede, sacrifice mo, siguro 1%. 1% slope. So, malaki na rin yung diameter ng, ng pipe. Just imagine, the same Q here, but the coefficient here of 0.686 and 0.87, malaki ang diameter na ma-produce. Ng 1% is at 2%. Okay? So, the derived from Manning's formula, this one here, last time, ginawa natin itong, kung ang slope lang talaga is 2%, not 1/4 inch. Ito ay 0.7, so 0.74 lang ito kung 1/4 inch. Ito, 2.08%. So kung 2% lang, ito ang lalabas na factor ng coefficient ng Q. So itong lalabas. So medyo ito sa matingnan natin sa 1%, sa 0.5% at saka sa 2%. Mag-iiba yan. Kisa ilagay mo na 1/6. O ito, kita mo itong 1/4 ito. How many 1/4 is 1/4? There are 48 1/4. So 1/48 is 2.08%. That is how it is. So tanggalin na natin ang 0.08 na yan. Gagawin natin 2%. Anyway, sa actual na implementation ng installation, hindi naman perfect talaga na ganun ang mangyayari natin. So only that, para makukuha mo natin yung headroom ng kisame natin, ng ceiling natin, at saka yung distance ng mga discharges doon, kailangan i-compute mo yan. Dahil baka, kung hindi mo kinompute na yan, lalabas siya sa ceiling. Babagsak siya sa ceiling. Ang ceiling mo ngayon, liliit na lang. Ang headroom mo magiging, ang design mo 10 feet o 3 meters, magiging 2.5 meters na lang. Ganon yun ang ganon na magde-design tayo.